Hi, this is James. Today we are going to see how least cost routing it works in I-21. So it is available under logistics, least cost routing. So this is the search screen for least cost routing. It shows all the routing that are already created in the system. And let's start with creating a new route. So let's go to new option. I'll maximize the screen so that you can see the full screen. So here the system will automatically generate the route number on saving this transaction, and this is the dispatch date, and the source type is TM orders. The orders that are created in tank management is what will be used as the source, and this is the location, and this is a sub location. Let's pick one of the sub locations to do the routing. So we are going to do the routing with a sublocation Princeton propane, and let's select the driver and the ship via, and the system has the capability to create your own trucks and its capacity. So let's select this truck with capacity. The system has a feature where you can route by an estimated time. So if you want to create a route for a specific hours, in this example by default 7 hours, so the system can give you the route by a specific time. Okay, so once we capture this information, then when we come here, the system automatically pulls all the orders in the tank management, and we are going to filter by a specific location. Yeah, let's type the full name. So it shows all the orders that are due for dispatch here. All the open orders are displayed over here. And the next step is we can select all the orders, or you can selectively, you can apply various filters, and you can select only selected orders, and you can click on map orders. So what the system is going to do is it is navigating to the map tab. This is where the orders are marked in the map, as you can see, where you can zoom in and zoom out using the mouse, or you can use these zoom in zoom out options on the map itself. And the green color flag, it indicates the starting point. So the location and the sublocation is a starting point here, and these are the orders that are marked in the map. And on moving the mouse over these markers, it shows the order information like the delivery, the order number, and the customer name, address. And these are the priority orders, which are indicated in a different color, different icons. And next what we are going to see is, okay, I want to route an order today. Let's select some of the orders from the map, and we can generate the route. So how to do that? So we can click on this pencil to mark the area where you want to pick the orders for routing. So you can use any of these rectangle or circle. I'll choose the rectangle, and I can draw here, select the region, and you can select this rectangle and click on Get Sequence. So what the system is going to do is, for all the selected orders, it is going to give optimized route, and it will be reflected in the map over here. Now you can see the system has generated the route, and you can see the various numbers that are indicated here, which is indicating the refill, number of times that the truck delivered, and then it refilled and then again delivered. For example, it started from this point and it delivered all these points, it says as 1, and it went back to the nearest refill point and it did the refill, and then it delivered all these second orders. Then again it did the refill, and then it delivered the third set of orders. So like this, the system has given the route, the same truck which is refilling 5 times and then delivering orders 5 times in this route. So you can see the sequences in which these orders are delivered in the sequence tab. So when we go here, the system, it shows that this is the sequence in which the orders are delivered. It starts from the sequence number 1, it goes down, and 16 orders are delivered in the first route, and it goes to the refill point, it gets refilled. And you can also notice the order information and the quantity that is delivered, what is the balance left in the truck after delivering. And then you can see after the first refill, the remaining, starting from 18 up to 34, these orders are delivered, and again it is getting refilled. So like that it goes, and then finally you can see the orders with the end point which is ending at Princeton Propane. And here the system provides an option where you can change the ending point. If you want to end at a different point and start for the next route from that point, you can choose the options from here. So those options are available at the sequence tab. Okay. So next what we are going to see is the system also provides the results, the mileage information from one point to another point. It gives the estimated cost and the miles as a cumulative figure, as well as the individual point from one point to the next point, how much miles and what is the cost, estimated cost. It gives the information. So for the entire route, the system has given the approximate, the total cost and the total minutes and the total miles, and you can export this to an Excel, and when the actual route happens, then you can compare against the actual figures to see where it got deviated and then where the differences were. And the system also have a feature where you can get the directions. By using get directions, the system can fill the directions step by step from point A to the end point, how these directions step by step the driver will have to take. So you can get that the directions, and you can export to an Excel from here. Okay, and finally this route can be saved, and if you want to make any changes to this, you have option to make changes to the route. Manually you can remove some of these orders, you can do it manually, or you can go to the map and you can select the region and you can edit the map. You can clear the selection, you can clear the route, and you can redo it. So the system provides various options to make changes after creating the route. As you can see, after saving, the system has generated a unique number for this route. And in addition to this feature, the system also we have energy track, which is a billing system, which is along with the hardware which is attached to the truck. The information is sent from the least cost routing to the energy track, so the drivers, they can get an update once the route is made and posted. The information, it goes to the energy track, and when the orders are delivered, it goes back to the tank management, reflecting the status of the orders, changing it to delivered. So in addition to this, as in the beginning we saw, the system also provides creating a route by time. So now let's see how that works. So for that, the system is going to use the number of hours, and by using route by time, the system is going to compute, and it's going to remove all the orders that is going to take more than overall 7 hours. And as you can see, the system has now reduced the number of routes, and now you can see this is the estimated time from starting point, and it has come down to, it's only 23 orders are delivered. So within 7 hours, these are the orders that can be routed. So this is how you can make use of this route by time if you would like to generate a route for a specific time interval. For example, if you have drivers doing different shifts. So first 4 hours, if you want to create a route for one driver, you can generate the route using this feature. And then again, for the second shift, for the second driver, you can generate a separate route. So this way, the system provides a way to create a route for the entire day or multiple routes for a specific time, 3 hours or 4 hours or 7 hours. And system has a default configuration in the company configuration. So the preferred default routing hours, you can configure it. It's set up as 7 hours in a day. So you can set it up and the system automatically it picks up, so that you don't have to enter this routing hours every time when you create a route. Okay, so this is about route by time. And whenever you make any changes to this routing, you can click on update route, which will system will automatically update the route. For example, when you delete some orders from here, you can click on route, update route. The system will reflect that routing in the map with the changes that you have made in the sequence tab. Okay, so after making changes, we can save this and post it to send it to energy track. Hope this explains how least cost routing works in i21. Thank you.